Morning, Josh. I want to give you an idea. I haven't had a lot of time to move it around, but I want to give you an idea of what I found on using the 360. Much improved over when Andy and I first started as far as your controls and pinch pull and zoom. Really good. It looks like you guys have added those links, probably done programmatically, so that is really awesome. Then I kind of wanted to give you an idea of the markup, because obviously that's what you're going to look at, but even, and it's hard to see on the camera, but even standing right here, it is awesome to be able to look at your plan in a 30 by 42. Everything is readable, everything in one piece, so you're able to do all the things that you would normally do. Now let's mark it up. And that's pretty cool, because the markup tool, let me make it a little wider so you can see it. The markup tool works phenomenal. This is always the true test of any software, is how touch friendly it is and how it's able to do all the different functions. And again, it's obviously exaggerated for your use so you can see it. And then, to be able to go into the pan mode, pan it around, zoom it back up, zoom it back down. This is going to make a great video. But what I wasn't prepared for was your little doohickey that splits it, because this is a file that we happen to show. It's an old Adobe file that we happen to show that shows a 3D drawing in with that, and how phenomenal that works and looks and rotates. And obviously on this size screen you can really see both pieces in a meaningful manner, and I'm sure there's a way to zoom that down as well to make it bigger, and I can make this bigger, bring it out, whatever it might be. But that is way cool. That allows you to really be able to operate both sets of drawings, both images, right in one particular interface. Pretty cool. Your highlighter works. Everything. Wasn't really able to make anything that didn't work. Be able to use it and look at it. Take that down, bring this one back up, and you can just see the ease of interface. So I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown. This would work awesome in demoing your software, because this isn't our experience we had when we first did it with Andy, 4 or 5 years ago. So this is cool. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.